Okay, this is another problem that the equation, the chart, will not work for because the half-life is 5.3 days, and we want to know how much we had 30 days ago. That does not go into it perfectly. So we're going to use our equation again, which is AT, the amount after a certain amount of time, equals the initial amount times 0.5 raised to the n, where again, n is the number of half-lives. And so we're going to say what we know. So here we know we have 4.3 grams now, and we want to know how much we had 30 days ago, so the initial time. So AT in this case is 4.3, and we don't know the initial amount, A0. And as far as the number of half-lives, again, we had to do a quick calculation. This is 30 days, and the half-life's 5.3 days. So the number of half-lives will just be 30 divided by 5.3. So 30 divided by 5.3 is 5.66 half-lives. And again, we plug in now, so 4.3 equals A0 times 0.5 raised to the 5.66, and then we're going to solve for A0. So 0.5 raised to the 5.66 is 0.019, and I would wait to round until really near the end, so try to keep a bunch of decimals. So 777 times A0, 4.3, so now we want to get A0 isolated, so we're going to divide by both sides. And so 4.3 divided by that, 0.19777. So I get the initial amount is 217.4 grams. And again, just a quick spot check. We have a little more than 5 half-lives, so we're cutting this in half by a little more than 5 times. So just take 217, we'll just round it, and cut it in half 5 times and see what you get. So you cut it in half once, and you get 108.5. You cut it in half again, you get 54.25. You cut it in half again, you get 27.125. So let's see, there's 1 cut, 2 cuts, 3 cuts. You cut it in half again, 13.56. I'm rounding now. Cut it in half one more time, you get 6.78. So that's after 5 cuts. Now we're supposed to have 4.3 grams left, so if we cut it in half again, we get 3.4, and our answer of 4.3 falls right in between there. So again, this is a reasonable answer that we came up with. So it's always good to check that your answer is reasonable. And that's it. So until next time, I am Derek Genova. Have a delightful day.